Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, here to reintroduce to you the Ambrosia Quilt. And the reason I say reintroduce is we actually came out with this a few months ago, hugely popular, selling out in less than a day, and people have been asking for it ever since. What you're seeing behind me is actually a combination of Bermuda Batiks and Bossa Nova, both beautiful batik collections from Moda Fabrics. And it's so stunning, especially in the summertime. I want to see a lot of color. This has the full rainbow of colors. So beautiful. We're literally making those kits right now and giving you a chance to reserve that kit. And so what that means is for just $10, you can say, absolutely, I need one of those kits. I missed out last time. I'm not going to miss out. This time, please reserve a kit for me. And when those are in, we'll bill you for the difference and get that headed your way with free freight for customers in the United States. And if you're joining us internationally, we still have those discounted shipping rates. Your option on this will be the thread set, 5 pieces there. And of course, that is for our gorgeous pre-fused laser cut applique. No, don't worry, no tracing, no cutting. We're going to do all of that for you so you can just enjoy the fun. Hey, even if you're a beginner sewer, this is absolutely within your ability to do this. If we look at the quilt, it really is just a 4-patch right here put together, and then we have half square triangles. That's it. Just those 2 very simple basic blocks, and the way you arrange them and sew them together will create the interior of the quilt. You'll be sure to add your beautiful inner border, and then we'll applique each one of those outer borders. And I love the combination of the light box, the applique pressing mat, to be able to pre-assemble all of the beautiful flowers as one unit, and that way you're able to bring them onto those borders one by one and place them on there, and that's where you'll be able to stitch that down. So no more bringing the pieces one by one. We pre-assemble one whole flower with its leaves, put it aside. Pre-assemble all of the other flowers the same way. So it makes it a lot of fun and very approachable. So don't let the applique, maybe you're a piecing person, don't let that be the reason you don't jump in and grab one of these very limited edition kits. The things on the table are what we use to make our sample quilt. Creative Grids, of course, that is our go-to ruler from our biggest ruler, the 4.5 by 8.5. The 12.5-inch square is what we use to make this one. If you like to have that seam guide for making your half square triangles, this is a great one. You'll want to get that 9-inch seam guide. If you are going to pick up that thread set, be sure to pick up the super non-stick size 80-12 needles. They're just really engineered to be working with that fusible webbing. And of course, all the other things that we'll need to be successful. Patchwork pins, the fresh blade and the rotary cutter, scissors, seam ripper for me. I can't seem to get away from that one. Our Wonder Clips for our binding. So this is one that's pretty special. This is, once again, a customer request. We have limited batik we were able to get. So if this one is speaking to you and knowing how fast it sold out the first time, be sure to reserve your kit and, of course, grab that thread set as well. So thanks for giving me a couple minutes of your day to show you our newest version of Ambrosia. I'll see you soon on another video.